In primetime news this evening, lawmakers decry attacks on women and demand greater state support. Investigators urge women to report domestic problems before things get physical. And expert at odds over underground parking and its capacity to withstand earthquakes.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm is here to give us a preview. Andrea?
Well, Vashon, for those persons who own electric cars, some good news this evening. The JPS has launched a company which will make it easier to charge electric cars. And I'll have more on that in the business day.
And there's never a dull day in sports. Spencer Darlington has our preview. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, the Sunshine Girls are getting ready to depart for their first assignment of the new year. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And thank you so much, Spencer. We look forward to that. Also, we have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, are you actively supporting the ban on styrofoam?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News headlines